Namaskar, welcome back. Something very special. How to throw a spear. भाला कैसे फेंकते हैं? So it is something like most people do not know, but they should know. There is difference between a javelin throw and a spear throw. This is not a javelin. A javelin is made to fly into infinity. It is made like that. It is light. वो बनाया इस तरीके से जाता है कि हवा में उड़ते 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 उड़ता परिंदा वो कहीं चला जाता है. And I'm saying this because I have some experience, very little experience in javelin throw also. स्कूल टाइम में हमारे स्कूल टाइम में हम करते थे. इससे अच्छी हमें फोटो मिली नहीं, वरना ये देखो गंदी सी फोटो है. और ये नोबेल पीस प्राइज फॉर जेवलिन थ्रो कलेक्ट करते हुए मैं और मेरे दोस्त ये जब एंड दिस इज द लेटेस्ट वन. नहीं ये पता नहीं कौन सी साल का है. एंड मतलब हमारे स्कूल में 3-4 ही लड़के होते थे, ये सारे हमारे दोस्त थे और उनमें से मैं जीता. अंधों में काना राजा होता है ना, क्योंकि आप मेरे को जानते हो तो आप ये भी जानते हैं कि ये ऐसा पोस्ट करना मेरा ही आइडिया था. तो मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है, दिस विल नॉट लुक दैट कूल. ये उतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, उतनी दूर ये ट्रैवल नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ जेवलिन, दिस इज अ वेपन. This is not made to travel very far. This is made to hunt. Traditionally, this was used for hunting and also fighting also. Situations may come where you have to use something like this. So these kind of survival techniques, how to make knots, how to start fire out of the क्या चिंगारी निकाल के आग कैसे जलाते हैं, अपना सर्वाइव कैसे करते हैं, नदी में से पानी कैसे पीना, मतलब सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स शुड बी देयर इन योर माइंड. बिकॉज खूब मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, पता नहीं कि मतलब भगवान ना करे कभी कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन आ भी जाती है ना, तो आनी नहीं चाहिए लेकिन आना तो चाहिए आपको. सो वन टेक्निक इज, दिस इज नथिंग बट नाइफ कनेक्टेड टू अ स्टिक. सो इट इज वेरी सिंपल and one of the most effective self-defense technique or equipment in the wild. So the first thing you want to do, if you know something about javelin throw, it is not like that. Actually it is to be done not like a javelin. In a javelin you will have to use this grip, the blade should be somewhere near to your eye over here like this. Then you throw, you run, you use your front leg, and then you stop, you use this momentum and going forward. This is not done like that because this is not that long also, and the point of center of mass is also different. It will be very close to somewhere near the blade. It will be somewhere over here. See, this is the point. In a javelin it will be somewhere in the middle. This is not like that because this is heavy. मतलब यहाँ पे वजन होता है. So this is the point where you want to catch it. Some people say that यहाँ पे नहीं, you can leave one fist gap and then catch. Okay, that is also good, but I like this one. So the gripping is something not very complex. It is simple. Just like you hold a pencil or a pen, this is how you catch it. So imagine this is a big pencil. पुराने टाइम में होती थी ना वो प्लास्टिक वाली लंबी सी, उसके ऊपर क्या बना होता था ऐसा कोई बात नहीं छोड़ो. So that is the kind of grip is, if you can zoom into this one, you will understand it is something very simple. Just hold it like a pencil, but from here, after holding it like a pencil, you have to hold it to the back side. See, like this. So holding like a pencil, but just keep the stick in touch with your palm. So matlab aisa, this is the grip you want. So this is how you will grip it, and the throwing is also very simple. Nothing, don't have to run, you don't have to run. If you want you can run, you can jump and throw. People do all kind of crazy things and then throw. Okay, it's good. All you need to do is you need to keep your hands over here. Don't go like this, it can hurt yourself. And from here, nothing. Use the elbow. The elbow goes from here to straight, not from up to down. It goes from outside to inside. Can you see this? It will still travel in a straight line, but my elbow goes from out to in. The elbow is making a circle like this, 1, 2, but this one goes straight. Oh yeah! And from here, I release it. So it is very simple. 1 and 2. Okay, the thing to be noticed is when I throw, the end part of the throw, मतलब ये final वाला last में क्या होता है, I am pushing with these 2 fingers. मतलब यहाँ से छूट गया, यहाँ से छूट गया, और जब वो डंडा हाथ में होता है तो यहाँ से using 2 fingers you have to push. Yes. So quick revision, not like a javelin but like a weapon. You have to catch it like a pencil and find the center of mass. This point, just catch it like this. You can see the grip. This is somewhat like this or like this or like this. People like to catch it like this also, but I don't prefer that. This is simple for me. हम जैसे लोगों के लिए ये आसान है. So what you do is
your elbow goes from outside to inside, and always throw on a maybe 45 degree for more distance. But if you have something close like this, you can just throw like that. It depends on your experience. This kind of fighting is full experience. Spear throwing and archery, things like that, always depend on experience. So there is no secret key to it, but still your hand should be like this at an angle. Don't keep it too close to your eye. It is going outside, from outside to inside. Release it like this, and like this you can use the other hand. Always use the front leg to stop your motion. One, and then throw, so that you can transfer that momentum. If you're running, you can transfer that. It is like this one, and you can transfer it. Yeah. So it is nothing but from outside to inside, and finally it is pushed like this. One small tip, if you want to aim at something, it is always that if you aim small, you will miss small. That is, आपका एम एकदम छोटा सा कोई पॉइंट होना चाहिए. मिस भी हो गया तो ज़्यादा बड़ी तरीके से मिस नहीं होगा. If this is my target, I don't target the whole root. मतलब ये पेड़ का लकड़ा ये पूरा, and my target is not that पेड़ का लकड़ा. My target will be somewhere a point in the center. So only then it will work. So aim small, miss small. Again, using the pencil grip, use the opposite leg grip like this and go. So that is good. That is good for aiming. That's it for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press that bell icon. Karate TV online classes are already started. Link is in description. Fill the form and Karate TV only class. Okay. And like subscribe तो आपने कर ही देना है. करोगे ना? करोगे कि नहीं? बताओ. लग नहीं रहा मुझे.